we're back with this shooter here, and we're gonna do the game. So
you're first.
Pick down yellow.
Okay, my turn. Your turn. Oh man, so this card I have to push it twice. Do you want to push it for me?
Wow!
Okay, good.
A little more than twice.
Okay.
Okay, so what color is that? You can either
What
be
color
red,
do you
blue,
wanna do?
green, or... Oh, you want to be green. Okay.
Oh man, and you know what this card means? It skips my turn, so you know what you gotta do? Put down that card, and you won!
You already won!
And I have 50 cards. Oh no.
I think that's the best part. Okay, go ahead. Attack everybody with the cards. Ah! 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 They're flying out. Wow. Attack! Attack!
This is dangerous.
Okay, guys, so this is a great game. Get one at your nearest Toys R Us. What do you say, Grayson?
I have lost the game.
Alyssa completely lost. She's really has a lot of cards.
Nice fan, though.
I think you probably have pulled them all out. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in to Toys for Tube and Gray Toys. I hope you enjoyed this video.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did, be sure to press the like button. Also, sit and subscribe. This is Toys for Two.